Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I will show you how to use your Bybit welcome coupon. Before we start, check out on the special sign up link in the description below to claim your bonus if you haven't yet. Alright, let's get started. First head over to bybit.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, make sure your account is verified. If you see a verify now prompt, go ahead and complete that step first from here. Now click on the rewards hub from the top menu here and click on my rewards. Here inside the rewards app, look for the coupon that says $20 USDT welcome bonus. It's usually at the top. If you see, click it and claim. This will open the coupon details page. Because I have already used this, that's why it's not here. But if you are new user on this, then it will show a $20 welcome coupon. Make sure to read the conditions. Most coupon like this one requires you to trade specific pair, usually in USDT, like this one. Once you have read through, hit the claim button at the bottom to activate it. Then, if your coupon requires USDT pairs, you can use trade something like SOL or USDT. From here, just place a buy or sell order like usual. The coupon will apply based on the terms. And that's it. You have now activated and used your Bybit $20 welcome coupon. If this helped you, give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more crypto tips. Watch our next video for tips on how to withdraw your Bybit earnings safely. See you there.